Hi, my name is Ruid Viljoen. I am the founder of the I Am Warrior Self-Mastery Workshop. I'd like to share with you a short introduction. What if happiness and abundance were already within you, just waiting to be activated? What if everything you've ever searching for, clarity, confidence, success, and a deep connection, was never outside of you, but within? What if the life that you long for is not something to chase, but something to remember, something to awaken to? You see, your subconscious mind is the silent architect of your reality, shaping your thoughts, your emotions, and the way that you experience the world. Yet, most people move through life unaware of this hidden programming, dictating their habits, their relationships, and their sense of fulfillment. The I Am Warrior Self-Mastery Workshop at the Sheba Wilderness is an invitation to break free from this unseen constraints of your subconscious mind and step into the fullest expression of yourself without forcing or struggling or seeking outside validation. This is not just another workshop. It is a reclamation, a return to the core of who you are, rooted in modern psychology, neuroscience, and the ancient wisdom of ontology, the study of being. This experience will guide you beyond surface level motivation into a profound transformation of self. It is not about doing more, trying harder, or fixing what is wrong. It's about shifting who you are being at the deepest level so that success, abundance, and fulfillment become inevitable. Through deep self-inquiry, powerful subconscious reprogramming techniques, and an immersive nature-based practice. If you feel the call to step into your power, to live with greater freedom and purpose and authenticity, this is for you. If you are ready to move beyond limiting beliefs and embody the warrior within, the Sheba Wilderness is where your transformation begins. This is more than personal development. It is a homecoming. Are you ready to remember who you are? Why don't you join us at the Sheba Wilderness on our next I Am Warrior workshop?